good evening, everybody. I'm Tenzin Wangdu. I'm Tibetan. I'm not really here to answer the question. I'm just here to support Hong Kong behalf of Tibetan and this is the flag, our Tibetan flag, and I'm very happy to see Joshua Wong here again. I met him in 2016 in Flushing. So, and we Tibetan did a lot of movement, even in India and so many places. But this is not just show up movement. We just care about Hong Kong, and I really want to say, Hong Kong people, there's no any doubt they cannot handle their movement. I'm proud of they did whatever they did in their country. So here, out of the Hong Kong people, they have a responsibility for the people who is doing their movement. They have a responsibility for it won't happen like a 1989 Chinese tournament in Scar. We have to raise our voice together. So free Hong Kong, free. Thank you.